The 2014 Sierra includes an all-new electric variable assist power rack and pinion steering system. The system benefits fuel economy because the electric motor is mounted directly to the steering rack, reducing the power loss of a traditional hydraulic pump. But it also helps create a smooth ride and improved handling because it tunes out vibrations that can be transferred to the steering wheel. The steering ratio is tuned to each wheelbase to ensure quick, responsive handling. Every 2014 Sierra also includes four-wheel disc brakes with 4-channel ABS and Duralife rotors. You'll see improved stopping distance and pedal feel and driver confidence. Plus, new Duralife rotors are treated with a process called ferritic nitrocarburizing, or FNC, which makes them corrosion resistant. This can double rotor life. Of course, every Sierra is equipped with Stabilitrak with rollover mitigation, trailer sway control, and hill start assist to achieve outstanding control in a variety of conditions. Finally, all new wheels and tires are matched to the new Sierra to optimize control. 17-inch painted steel wheels are standard on base Sierra, and 17-inch bright machined alloy wheels are now standard on SLE. SLT gets a standard 18-inch bright machined alloy, and all-terrain gets a standard 18-inch chrome wheel. 20-inch bright machined wheels with a dark accent color are available on all-terrain. There are 18-inch bright machined aluminum and 20-inch polished and chrome optional wheels offered on SLE and SLT, as well as 22-inch chrome wheels available through your parts department for SLE, SLT, and all-terrain.